Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about the book work and the definitions of chapter number 13, that is electricity and circuits. So we will do the summary of the chapter in the form of definitions. So look here, these are the definitions of chapter number 13, that is electricity and circuit. So the first definition is electricity. So what is an electricity? Electricity is the presence and flow of electronic charge. So the flow of electronic charge is known as electricity. Electricity is possible due to the electric charge. So what are electric charge? Electric charge is the property of the matter which is responsible for electric process. So these are the properties of matter which is responsible for the flow of electricity, and there are two types of electric charge: positive electric charge, negative electric charge. Positive electric charge, which is denoted by plus, means the addition sign, and it is denoted by minus, that is the negative sign. Next is circuit. Circuit is that path around which an electric current flows. So circuit is that, you can say, the path, or you can say the route through which electric current is flowing, that is known as a circuit. Next is torch. Torch, you all are familiar that torch is a small electric light which is produced by batteries, and the torch you can carry in your hand also. So it is the device, small device, which is responsible to provide electricity. We can use battery for that, and nowadays we can charge them also. Next is, that is the bulb. Bulb, we all have seen that bulb. What is bulb? Bulb is a glass in which filament gives off light when heated by an electric current. So it is that glass like material which is enclosed and that can be used to produce light. And how it produce light? When the filament is heated. Now what is filament? Filament, it is a thin wire that glows when bulb is switched on. If you have seen the bulb that glows, basically that gives yellowish light, they are having a one silver color wire in that, and that silver color wire is known as filament, and it is responsible to provide light to the bulb. Next is terminals of the bulb. As there are two terminals of electric cell, in the same way there are two terminals of bulb also which support the filament of the bulb. Now what is written in terminals of bulb? There are two terminals. What are terminals? With the points in a bulb that provide support to the filament. And what are that two terminals? One is metal case of the bulb and other is metal tip of the bulb which is present at the bottom of the bulb. Now eighth one is electric circuit. The circuit definition we have done. So electric circuit is the same, that electric circuit is that path along which electricity can flow, around which the electricity can flow, that is known as an electric circuit. In this you can see here also, this is an electric circuit. See here, this is his bulb, this one is a switch, this is in cell and wire. So electricity is flowing from here to here. See, these arrows are showing that electricity is flowing from this side to this side. So this is known as an electric circuit. Now the electric circuits are again of two types: complete or closed electric circuit, and other one is the open electric circuit. So what is a complete or closed electric circuit? When the current allow the flow of when the circuit allow the flow of current, it is said to be an closed or complete electric circuit. For example, in this figure you can see here, this is the example of an complete closed circuit. Why this is an example of complete closed circuits? You can see here that bulb is glowing. Bulb is glowing means the electricity can pass through this circuit. Here switch is in, it is in on position. So that is why electricity is moving from here means the positive terminal of the cell to the negative terminal of the cell when the switch is on, and this kind of circuit is known as closed or complete electric circuit. Now coming to the next, that is a broken or the open circuit. So this is regarding the broken or open circuit. So what is unbroken or open circuit? It is the opposite of, this one is the opposite of an closed circuit. So what is written here? When the circuit do not allow flow of electric current, then it is said to be broken or open circuit. When it is not allowing flow of current, then it is known as broken or open circuit. And I will show you the figure of this also. If you will see the figure here, this is an example of an broken or closed circuit. Why so? See here, in this no bulb is glowing, there is no arrows which is showing the flow of current, switch is in off position. So that kind of circuit in which there is no current is flowing, that circuit is referred to as broken or open circuit. Next is elements of circuit. So what are elements of circuit? If you will see in the previous diagram, this bulb, this one dry cell, this switch and this wire, these all are known as elements of the, or you can say the components of the electric circuit. Now conductors and insulators. What are conductors? Conductors are that substances through which electricity can pass. For example, copper, aluminium and iron. And insulators are opposite of that. What are insulators? These are those substances that does not allow electric current to flow through them, like wood, plastic and rubber. And the last topic of this chapter is electric cell, and in this we have done different type of electric cell. What is an electric cell? An electric cell, it is an device which uses chemical energy to generate electricity. So it is that device in which the chemical energy is converted into electrical energy, and there are various kind of electric cells that we will discuss now. So these are some of the electric cells. First one is dry cell. What is in dry cell? It is that you have seen in many torches, or you can say in the toys also, or in the remote, TV remote. So it is a small cell which produce electricity by means of chemicals in a sealed container. So there is small container in which many chemicals are there, and that chemicals are responsible to produce electricity, and they are known as dry cell. Next is car battery. Car battery is a rechargeable battery, means that you can charge again and again, and which supply electric current to vehicles, motor vehicles like car, buses, trucks, etc. They are known as car battery. Next is button cell. Button cell is very small cell battery which is shaped like button, and where they are used in small devices like wristwatches, calculators, hearing aids, etc. Last one is solar cell. What is solar cell? Solar cell is that which convert solar radiations, means sunlight, into electricity. And what is solar panel? When many solar cells combine together in one frame, that is referred to as solar panel. Last one is battery. Battery is what when two or more than two cells are arranged in such a way that electricity can flow through them, they are known as a battery. So these are the 20 definitions which covers chapter number 13, that is electricity and circuit. And the pictures of all these cells and different kind of electric circuit, bulb, electric cell, these also you can see in the study material option of your SMDP app. In that folder, chapter number 7, this 13 folder, you can see all the pictures related to these. Thank you. and have a nice day. And yes, you have to write all these definitions in your fair notebook in neat and clean handwriting. Thank you and have a nice day. Take care.